In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Close CRM with Zoom, a step-by-step guide to seamlessly connect the two platforms, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Before we start, make sure you're logged into both Close CRM and your Zoom account to keep this process smooth and efficient. To kick things off, open up your Close CRM dashboard. This is where most of our integrations will be managed. Once you're there, it's time to look for the Integrations option. You'll typically find this within the Settings menu, usually depicted by a gear icon. Clicking on Integrations will open up a list of various apps and services that you can link to Close CRM. Look out for Zoom in this list. Zoom is becoming an essential tool for virtual meetings and collaborations, so integrating it with your CRM can streamline your communication process. A quick click on Zoom will bring you to the next step in our integration journey. Now, you'll see an option that says Connect your Zoom account. This is an important step. It links your current Close CRM with your Zoom account. Clicking on this option will initiate the connection process. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to connect with Zoom. Here, if you aren't already signed into your Zoom account, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account, there will be an option to sign up. Either way, make sure you're using the account that aligns with your business needs. After logging in or signing up, Zoom will request permission to access certain information and functionalities required for seamless integration. It's important to review these permissions so you're aware of what data is being shared between platforms. To proceed, click Allow to give the necessary permissions for integration. This ensures that both platforms can communicate effectively, offering a cohesive experience when managing meetings and client communications directly from Close CRM. Once you've successfully connected the accounts, any meetings or calls you set up in Zoom can be effortlessly synchronized with your CRM, enabling better scheduling and client interaction. Remember, integrations like this not only save time, but also improve how you manage client relationships by keeping all relevant information accessible from one central location. With your setup now complete, you have laid a strong foundation for enhanced communication and efficiency within your business processes, giving you more time to focus on what matters, developing those vital customer relationships. And there you have it, a streamlined process to connect Close CRM with Zoom. If you have any questions or run into issues during this setup, both Close's and Zoom's support teams are excellent resources. Get ready to take your communication and collaboration to the next level. Happy integrating!